Hello friends, so today we will learn how to create a zone and assign multiple interface in zone. So before starting we need to know what is the zone and interface. So like if it is interface based, so if we need to allow the rule, so it is easy, we can allow from one interface to another interface. So suppose we have multiple interface and we need to allow as a source to that destination. So in that case it will be complicated. So to reduce that one, what we have to we can create a zone and we can bind multiple interface under that zone. So when we create the policy, instead of calling the interface, we can call the zone under that interface, so it will work on that one. So like zone is useful when we have multiple interface and we want to put under same zone. So it will like follow the same policy. If we want to allow for all the interface same policy, we can call that zone and we allow the policy. So it is just bundle of multiple interfaces. Zone is basically, so like we create inside zone, outside zone, and DMG zone based on the security level. So most trusted will be inside and and then DMG, and then less trusted is the outside. Okay, so for configuring that zone on the FortiGate, we have that feature. So we will go under the here, under interface we will go. So here you can see we have one zone already created. If we want to create a zone, we can go here and click on the create zone. So like that, and you have to give the name, and then you can uh, mm, mm, uh, give the interfaces as well. Okay, and in this case we have already one zone, so we will click that one. It will show the same thing, right? So here this is the zone. Here it has just one interface, so if you want to put multiple interface, we can do it from here. So here you have to create one more interface. Here I will give the name like in inside hyphen 3, and we'll this will be same interface will be port 4, because we that physical interface will be same. And here the VLAN ID I will give 60 suppose, and then we will leave it as a LAN. Okay, here will give any other IP like 60.60.60.60 slash 24. Okay, uh, slash 24. Okay, yeah, and we will allow the ping, and we will enable it, and then okay. So this interface is created, we will add this. So add like the same way, if you want to create any other interfaces as well, you can call that interface as well, like you can add these interfaces. So it will add all the interfaces under that inside zone, and then you have to click OK. Once you will click the OK, it will like under this zone it will create it will all that interface will be assigned. So like in policy I said previous, right? So under policy, if you will go here in the policy, so here you can see we have allowed one policy inside to that one. So here if you will see, uh, we will go here. So here you can see like interface, here it is inside, right? Inside one. So under that it will show like all three interfaces. So what policy we will allow for this zone? Here instead of interface we will select the zone. So under that zone it will call all that you can see this is the zone inside, and these interfaces are called. So all the source will be coming from that zone, will allow to that destination port, internet port, and it will allow all the traffic. So it is very easy when we have similar interfaces, where we need to like allow the same policy to for that source. So we create the zone and we assign that one to assign that interface and under that zone. So it will follow the same policy. So here you can see like I have created that zone, and it is having these all VLANs from there, and these are the sub interfaces. If you I will click here, you can see these are the sub interfaces, okay, which will follow that one. So this way you can create any other zone as well. Like if you want to create new zone, you can click here, and if you want to add a more, you can just double click and then add, click here, add, and you can create that one. If like you have any requirement, you can just do from here as well, okay. So this way we create the zone and we assign multiple interfaces under that zone, okay. And if like we want to check that one, like this is one we have already that uh, this assigned under 4040. So if we will try to ping from here, sorry, on this one, so you can see like I have already opened that Google, so it is working. So it is following the same way one. So if you will see the log under log report, forward log, so here it will show. So you can see that 6 seconds ago a client generated that http. Here you can see that all the logs from here. So it is, if you will see here, you can see which traffic like policy it is hitting, and what it is aligned, that it will show here, okay. So that's it for this topic. Thank you for watching. If you want me to create any other video topic, please do comment. So we will prepare a topology for that one as well.